Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to install mobile games in PC. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to install any of your mobile games, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing, you can search from Microsoft Store if the game is available here. So you can simply click on this window icon here and then go to Microsoft Store, or you can search for this. And here you can search for that specific game. So let's say I want to search for Asphalt 8. So it's available on mobile and it's also available on PC. And there are a lot of games which have their PC version. So you can download them from here from Microsoft Store. Or a lot of games haven't any PC version. So if you want to use that, you have to install an Android emulator. So in my case, I'm also using this one. But you have a lot of Android emulators like BlueStack, LD Player, Nox Player, Memo Player, Game Loop, and a lot of more you can easily download from your browser. Let's say I'm gonna download for this one. I have already installed this on my PC. But if you want to download this, you just have to simply search for Game Loop here. You can also install BlueStack. I'm using this one. Just open the first website and just tap on this download button here. If you want to use BlueStacks, you can also search for BlueStacks here. Open the first website from here and just look for the download button. Just download this. If you want to use BlueStacks, I recommend you have to use BlueStack 5, the latest version of BlueStack, and after that you'll be able to get any mobile game on your PC. So here I have this one using on PC, and I have a lot of games I can easily download and install using my emulator.